I'm now going to mention about the features of MBA program and why this MBA program of IILM Kolkata is so pertinent and so important. There are two things for a student to have experienced in a particular program, particularly when it is a professional program. One is, the orientation of the program to fit in the current requirements of the market. The other one is, the orientation of the program to have an ongoing winning factors, winning inputs for future, progression of the career in any place of the world. I'm not talking about why ELM fits in that. There are a lot of people who try to mention the name of certain government institutions as the leading and the most, forward. If you compare the ELM's, offer to the world, it is a world of learning, world of experiencing, world of doing things, and world of making career. They will find that we are at the cutting edge in the global context. The things which are very very essential now, for example, during this period of pandemic when this digitalization has become a feature of the feature of life. ELM Kolkata has gone into that in depth, and then what he has done is it's now ahead of most others in terms of clubbing and including the factors of digitalization in the academic curriculum, academic delivery, academic process, inputs, and everything, so that the students are geared up for the future world. The future world is going to be personalized and impersonal together. Whereas a manager has to become a personalized person, an individual with individuality, with his or her own features, having a profound exposures in the world. But at the same time, the manager has to understand and has to reveal the fact that the manager is an impersonal being. Impersonal meaning when the manager takes a call, the call has to be in favor of the organization, in favor of the company, in favor of the institution, in favor of the entity where the manager is working, and which one the entity which one the manager has undertaken as her or his career path. Meaning when you have joined a company, you need to own up the company, you need to be a part of the company, you need to think in terms of the company, you need to think of the welfare and well-being of the company. And this is what is very very important from the perspective of a person who is going to deliver things for the world. Now the world is heading towards making a manager entrepreneur, meaning companies are expecting a manager to take the decision on their own, implement that, and bring a better future for the company and the people around. All the stakeholders of the company should be benefited in terms of the contributions made by the person having joined the company. And keeping all this in mind, ELM Kolkata has actually blended the rigors of academics with the rigors of professionalism. So rigors of academics is what you need to have the depth and breadth of the academics, whichever is essential. You need to have that in your academic curriculum, deliver that in a routinized format. The teachers should be there available to deliver in day in day out. And the other one is the professionalism. How do you inculcate the professionalism? It's the orientation, the art of saying yes, the factor of positivity and affirmation to be inspired and developed within the individual. It's there in every individual, but unless the teacher or the person who is the mentor, the mentor is doing a sensitization, unless it is sensitized within the person, it doesn't go along. So sensitization is very very important in this case, and once sensitization is done, then probably the person has got the potential. All the noble qualities the individual has got, the student, she or he has got all the noble qualities. Now the teacher's role is to see that that is unfolded. It is like morning lotus. If you look at the morning lotus, it is covered with a green cover. But the moment the sun rays are touching on this morning lotus, it's unfolding and it's getting blossom. So the blossoming of the potentials of students is our objective, and this is why the ELM Kolkata has gone into very rigorously the functions of and the involvement of the mentors. The role of mentors are very important. We have a plethora of companies coming to the campus, a large number of, in fact, the number of companies touching the ELM Kolkata's campus, both on and off, this is so large that, this would include, as a number, include, many institutions together. And again, the numbers are also not just numbers picked up from the roadside. It's the numbers which are leading brands and which are honored brands, which are respected brands, which are companies where people find it coveted to work in, those kind of companies. But what you have to do is you have to be at the cutting edge in terms of the knowledge and in terms of the attitude. So this attitude is built in and oriented to positivity and positivism by the intervention and constant guidance of the mentors and other teachers together. So here in a specialty of the, unless a person comes in, gets in, and the person doesn't understand from outside, it's very difficult to understand from outside, that what is the content within. And once you come in, you will find that our teachers, our mentors, on one hand, our placement department, our professionals, those who are in the offering placement, they have got first-hand experience being in a senior and reasonably upper senior position of various corporate bodies, various leading brands, and they are now guiding the placement activities, and along with them there is a large team supporting that, and the last team, they are always having in touch, and they're always sympathetic to the students' cause. Even if a student doesn't clear in one interview, two interview, three interview, five interview, seven interview, it goes on. We expect that you crack in the first, but even if you have failed to crack on the 15th, we offer you 16th. If you fail in the fail in cracking on the 20th, you will have 25th. There's no problem. We have a constant support for the students. And why? Because the philosophy which ELM Kolkata believes in is Shatra Sukhe Sukham Shiksha Kaha. Satranam tu hita hitam na atma priyam sukham shiksha kaha. Satranam tu priyam hitam. The meaning of this is at ELM Kolkata, the philosophy of doing things is the priority of students' happiness is there before a teacher understands or wants to realize or experience his or her happiness, and the welfare of the student is the first thing that has got a priority before a teacher wants to experience and enjoy the welfare of her or his. So with this, I come to the end of the, telling the basics about fundamentals about ELM Kolkata, everything that is needed for delivering, like, library, laboratory, capital market lab, all other activities, connectivity, digital connectivity, the physical features, comfort in the classroom with continuous air conditioning, everything is there. But on top of everything is the support that ELM Kolkata wants to provide to the students in terms of handholding. The admission team is there continuously, constantly to have a counseling, like any kind of personalized counseling they are doing so efficiently by excellent people, and that counseling becomes very important. And after that, the faculty takes the responsibility. The entire process is there. We have got a large team of in-house faculty and supported by experts from outside as well. And then we deliver to the placement department, and there is a continuous and constant grooming of every student towards making them competent and making them capable enough to win the race in the corporate journey through placement activities of the institution. And therefore you have a wholesome, you have got a total support at IIM Kolkata, which is not really easily available in most other places, not only in the region but also most part of the country. Namaskar. Thank you all.